Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can view your account statement on Revolut. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. Before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or the version that actually supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. And of course, make sure that your country actually has Revolut or supports it. And yeah, after that, you will open your Revolut app or account and then go ahead and log in with your credentials. And after logging in, you will see the accounts section. So go ahead and tap it and then select your account. Scroll and then you will see statements. So tap it as well. And then you will choose month or custom range. Statement opens and then you can now scroll through the transactions. And that's just it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I really hope it was helpful for you, and if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.